Welcome to Crypto AI Predictor. Today, we are analyzing a project that is tackling the single biggest bottleneck in the decentralized finance world. It's the elephant in the room that no one likes to talk about, the complexity gap. We have these incredible tools, but for most, they're unusable. We have these incredible decentralized tools, but for the average person, using them is like learning a new language from scratch. It's a barrier to entry. The project we are breaking down today is Blockstreet. This isn't just a protocol, it is an all-in-one ecosystem designed for the modern era. It is designed to make Web3 as easy, secure, and familiar as your favorite traditional banking app, bridging the gap between old and new finance. In a market where utility is everything, Blockstreet is the answer. It provides the infrastructure that the mainstream market is actually waiting for. Before we dive into the machine learning data and the incredible potential for this 2026 bull run, make sure to subscribe for our latest research. Disclaimer: the following content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice. What is Blockstreet? At its core, it is a high-performance Layer 2 scaling solution built on the Ethereum network. It is optimized for a very specific purpose: decentralized finance that feels like traditional finance without the high fees or slow speeds. The core of Blockstreet isn't just speed, it's its hybrid architecture. This is where the magic happens for institutional users. It combines the incredible security of the Ethereum mainnet with a streamlined, identity-focused execution layer that handles transactions fast. First up is account abstraction. Say goodbye to complicated seed phrases that everyone is terrified of losing or forgetting. Blockstreet allows for easy wallet recovery using traditional methods like email and biometrics, just like you would with your Apple or Google account. Next is the integrated KYC layer. This is huge for the big players. For the first time, institutional DeFi and retail users can interact safely. They operate in a single, regulatory-compliant environment. This is exactly what banks have been asking for before they commit their capital. Finally, we have instant fiat on-ramps. You can buy crypto directly with your bank card or wire transfer, and it's there in seconds. No more waiting days for transfers to clear. It is essentially the Apple of DeFi, taking complex tech and making it just work. Why is Blockstreet our top-rated infrastructure pick for 2026? Because the narrative has shifted from experimentation to full adoption. We are currently seeing a massive migration of capital away from purely speculative meme coins and toward protocols that solve user problems. Blockstreet recently launched its mainnet 1.0 in early 2026, and the results are stunning. The network is handling institutional load with ease. We have already seen major traditional finance firms, including a large European asset manager, using Blockstreet to tokenize their funds. This is the real-world asset explosion that our AI models have been predicting for years. Blockstreet is the pipeline they are using. It offers the speed they need and the compliance they require. It's the only network that checks every box for a Fortune 500 company. The native BST token is the lifeblood of this entire ecosystem. It plays a vital role in securing the network and driving its economy. Every time a user interacts with a DApp, swaps tokens, or tokenizes an asset, BST is utilized as the underlying gas for that operation. BST holders can stake their tokens to secure the Layer 2 network and earn rewards, creating a direct buyback mechanism through platform usage. The Blockstreet DAO, controlled by BST holders, decides which new features and compliance standards should be added to the protocol. With a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens and increasing institutional partners, we are looking at a classic supply and demand squeeze. As the bull run attracts millions of new users, the number of network calls using BST is projected to skyrocket beyond our initial estimates. It's a powerful flywheel effect. Partnerships create network activity, which drives BST utility and directly rewards those staking on the network. Our proprietary AI here at Crypto AI Predictor has been crunching the numbers, feeding our neural networks historical data from major projects. We've adjusted for the current 2026 adoption liquidity, comparing BST to the growth curves of giants like Chainlink and Polygon in their prime. The models are analyzing the velocity of token metrics and the total value managed on Blockstreet dApps. The data is unequivocal. What we are seeing is a parabolic growth curve that hasn't even begun to hit its steepest point yet. The momentum is just starting to build. According to our latest deep learning simulation, as the global market reaches its peak euphoria, we are looking at some incredible targets. The price of the BST token is predicted to climb toward a technical target of 1.4 as the compliance-ready DeFi narrative goes mainstream. Reaching 1.4 would represent a total revaluation of the project's market cap, moving it into the top tier of the global digital finance system. It represents a valuation where the market cap reflects the trillions of dollars in real-world assets that Blockstreet is aiming to facilitate. Our AI suggests that the path to 1.4 will be driven by the mainstream transition. We are moving from the early adopters to the global masses. As major global banks begin to announce integrations with Blockstreet's identity layer, the underlying token will see unprecedented organic demand. Blockstreet is the answer. It is the bridge between Wall Street and Main Street, making the decentralized future accessible to everyone on Earth. In a market where utility is the only thing that will survive the final washout, Blockstreet has utility in spades. It is built for longevity. As we continue through this bull run, keep a close eye on the RWA tokenization numbers. Every new fund launched makes the foundation stronger. Thank you for watching this deep dive. Make sure to subscribe to Crypto AI Predictor for more frontier tech research and AI-driven market analysis. Our community is growing every day as we track the migration to a more open, accessible, and transparent global financial system together. The road to 1.4 is paved with innovation and real-world adoption. We are watching history being made on the blockchain. Stay focused. The decentralized future isn't just coming, it's already here, and Blockstreet is the infrastructure that will carry us into the next decade. Don't miss our next update as we track the BST price action in real time. Hit that notification bell to be the first to know when we go live. Our AI models are constantly updating with new data. We will continue to provide the most accurate simulations for this 2026 bull run. Until next time, this is Crypto AI Predictor. Keep your eye on the data, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next analysis. Goodbye.